everybody, this is RF57 review. Today I have the Samsung Galaxy Fold. This is my uncle's smartphone and it's just 1 day old. So the price of this fold is £1,900 or 2,999 USD or 3,088 SGD and 8,388 Malaysian ringgit. So let's unbox this smartphone. This is the Samsung Galaxy Fold. So this is the Galaxy Fold here. There are the care instructions. Here we can't put any of our hands when the folding part, so we can't put any objects when we are folding the device. We can't put any cards, coins or keys on the screen. We can't put any water or liquid or small parts on the surface. So don't attach any adhesives such as films or stickers to the main screen. And your device contains a magnet, so keep it a safe distance from any magnetic objects. But first, I'm going to show you. So here we have the instructions and the Galaxy Fold Premier service. So it's a 24-hour one-time screen crack protection. So these are the accessories. Let me show you what's in the box here. So this Galaxy Fold comes with this cover right here. So this is the full cover. Here's some instructions, warranty card, and this is how you attach the cover at the fold. So this is the cover. Next we have this thing right here. Then we have the plug. Okay. And we have the Samsung earbuds, sound by AKG. So let me show you the Samsung buds. This is Samsung buds from AKG. So those are the buds. There's a magnetic part right here, the buds. So now we go on to the fold. So here's the fold. So samsunggalaxyfold. So specification for the Galaxy Fold that it has a Snapdragon 855 of processor. It has 512 gig internal storage. It has 12 gig RAM. For the main display, it has 7.3-inch dynamic AMOLED. Then for the cover display, there is the 14.6-inch Super AMOLED. We have the 10 megapixel selfie camera right here. And then at the back we have the rear camera. First one is 16 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, the 12 megapixel wide angle camera, and the 12 megapixel telephoto camera. So for the front dual camera, so there's the 10 megapixel selfie camera and the 8 megapixel depth camera. One interesting thing that I like about this fold is that it could on 3 applications at once. So on YouTube, okay, then we on the calendar, and then we on internet browser. So one more thing is that the keyboard is separated to 2 parts so that it's easier to type anything. So thanks for watching some of my other reviews. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave a like on this video, and don't forget to watch my other video on the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Bye bye.